Yeah, so, I want to be able to create something that still represents you, where you come from, and our background, and how beautiful our culture is. Rhythmic.
Yeah, maybe I can, bring a little bit of traditional tip to it.
That'll be good. Let's try it.
Maybe like something.
Bring it back. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I got it, dude. I got it. From the top, we're gonna build it where it starts slowly but surely building up.
Fire.
Yeah.
There we go.
We'll bring the fire. Try. Oh, chat. Fire, baby. Well, fire stemmed from his aggression. My thing is like, you don't want to extinguish your fire. Keep your fire going, and that's what I'm trying to do with here by adding melody, adding the native chanting.
It's an eternal flame, and I think that was the energy that we were feeling in the moment, so that's what came out, man.
You want to be able to still have that fire, but appeal to the masses. Well, let's give it a run. You ready?
Yeah.
Cool. Ready?
Here we go.
Yo, stop. Say it more convincing, like you mean it.
Aye.
With the beautiful swag. We bring the fire, baby. We're gonna try it again and beyond. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's bring the fire, baby. Yo, stop.
I was so nervous, bro. I was so nervous, and I was under pressure, bro. To be honest, I was under pressure.
Now let's do better.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Do it. I guess, yeah. The moment is now. My bad, guys.
You know what? Do one more time.
I do it one more time.
Just everybody wants to understand what ideology will ignite this.
Yeah, do this with me. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water, yeah, we rockin' for my people, say get down.
Taboo really opened me up. Something new, opened my mind, opened my heart.
That's what I was there for. I was there to instruct them and to guide them.
I guess the moment is now. Everybody wants to hear me while I'm holding it down. Everybody wants to vibe to the motion and sound. Ideology who? Ideology what? Ideology's here and I'm never giving up. Yeah, party it up.
As it should be, let's get down with the TAB. Let's get down all around, can you see me? Feel me, do me up, let's get it down. Let's burn it up, let's burn it down. The beat starts shaking, they're moving all around. Let's get it up now. Let's get it up now. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Baby, fire, baby.
I never thought I'd be here dancing around with Taboo from Black Eyed Peas. It's probably one of the dopest tracks You know what? Let me be real honest. It's the funnest track I've done in my entire life, bro. I've never had so much fun doing music, bro. And it's the first and only track that I've been on that makes me move, you know what I'm saying?
At the Cesar Chavez March, and he was performing. He was really aggressive. And here he was like, you know what I mean? It was a different person.
I'm thankful for that, because like I said earlier, I didn't even know I was capable of making such music.
Dude, I think with this, the fact that you're able to move around and feel good and just like let the beat take over you and take your aggression and channel it into some like, feel good and just, that's you. That's what that fire was. That fire was needing to come out. It's been a blessing.
It's been an honor, bro.
Thank you.
So thankful. Ideology is going straight to the top, man. You see that? There's a moon up there shining right now. You're gonna see me sitting on that moon writing flows, bro, one of these nights. I've never experienced anything more satisfying aside from watching my son being born, you know?
Wow. Man, I'm grateful that he feels that way, and I'm honored to be his friend. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. We are closing shop.
But Mun2, thanks for hooking up a brother.
You saw me here, Taboo the Black Eyed Peas on Mun2. You just got hooked up, Tab Magnetic style. Peace.